Hello and welcome to witness the transition to a new era of data analysis with Animator by Squillion. Elevate your reports with dynamic, engaging visuals that tell a compelling story. With easy-to-use features, Animator by Squillion helps you create eye-catching visuals that uncover insights and start conversations. Whether you're presenting sales trends, marketing data, or operational metrics, Animator by Squillion adds an extra layer of depth to your analysis. Let your data tell its story like never before. With that being said, we'll be exploring the key features of Animator by Squillion, which include icon settings, background settings, animation settings, data point settings, label settings, x-axis and y-axis settings, tooltip settings. Let's dive in with icon settings. Choose from a variety of icons such as car, plane, boat, star, arrow, and more. Easily customize their size and rotation for added visual appeal. With the professional version, unlock the ability to add your own custom icons, allowing for endless possibilities. Next up, background settings. Select backgrounds that complement your icons and enhance the overall theme of your report. Adjust top and bottom buffers to ensure your icons fit perfectly within the chosen background. Professional version users can even use custom backgrounds with transparency for a unique visual experience. Animation settings. Add life to your visuals with captivating animations. Choose from 6 different animation directions, including left-right continuous, up-down continuous, and more. Set fixed durations to control the speed of animations for optimal storytelling. Data point settings. Customize how your data points are displayed. Choose between random or value-based positioning to best represent your data. Professional version users can apply colors to data points for enhanced visual clarity and differentiation. Label settings. Personalize data labels to provide additional context and insights. Customize font styles, sizes, and colors to match your branding and theme. X-axis and Y-axis settings. Tailor axis appearance to match the overall style of your report. Customize axis labels, text, and grid lines to ensure consistency and readability. Tooltip settings. Enhance user experience with customized tooltips that provide valuable information when hovering over data points. Customize tooltip appearance and content to suit your audience's needs. Why choose Animator by Squillion? Enhanced data presentation. Elevate your data visualizations with captivating animations and customizable features that engage your audience. Empower decision-making. Drive action and prompt conversations about data with visually appealing and insightful reports. Seamless integration. With flexible customization options, Animator by Squillion seamlessly integrates into your reporting environment, allowing you to create cohesive and professional visuals. Unlock the full potential of your data with Animator by Squillion, an innovative visualization tool that transforms your reports into compelling narratives. Elevate your reports, captivate your audience, and unlock new insights that drive success. For more information, visit our website, www.squillion.tech. Contact us via email, info@squillion.tech. Use now.